Hello guys, what's movie is going to play Rebel Sound Tower. Family in 2022 and 2G3. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos like this guys. So anyways, let's beat that game guys. There's girl. Oh my god, are you kidding me? There's girl upstairs. There's a girl led upstairs in there. So let's go beat that game. Let's go beat her. What's that? A ladder? But can I will have? I can't do it. Why there's a girl upstairs? I need to I need to beat you. Oh, this beat the girl. The girl. The girl that I beat. I know what I'm going to see what you want. You're trying. You're trying. Oh, why did she doing it? She's doing it right, I guess. You oh, how? It's fair. Wait, how? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ouch, 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 ouch. Oops, oops, oops. Oh, oh, don't ever fall again. Go, 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 go. Why does I keep itching my nose? I guess. Let's go beat that game. Why do I keep itching? Okay. Okay, I think she fell. Okay, yes. Oops, oops. Why they keep? Why are there so many? Oh, Russia, sign I guess. Ooh, wait. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. I think easy. I think it's easy. There's a cloud. I love cloud so much. I love. Are you kidding? Oh, there. But can I just cheat? You're guys, you're cheating. You're cheating.